It's David from Southside Detail. Today I have this mobile detail for the Tesla Model S. As you see, I'm starting with the interior. First doing a full thorough vacuuming throughout the carpets and all the crevices, using the vacuum and compressed air to blow out all the debris and dust throughout the interior and on the trunk and the front as well. Then I start cleaning the door jambs. Those get really filthy over time, and I move on to cleaning the rest of the interior surfaces. Using a gentle cleaner for these Tesla Model S interior surfaces. Got a lot of white and light color interior parts that need to be cleaned up, but again, the cleaner I use is gentle. And I use a brush here to get inside here where those grooves are for that cup holder cover. Then I clean here the ceiling glass. And then there's some blue gene transfer on these white vegan leather seats from Tesla. And after a few scrubs with my scrub mitt, using my interior cleaner, the soiling is removed. And you see here, that's the vegan leather cleaner I use from Dr. Beasley. It is safe for Tesla vegan leather, like these white leather Model S seats. And then I clean the carpets with carpet bobber from PNS. Clean the rest of the interior surfaces here in the back. Clean the glass. And I clean all the plastics here for the front of this Model S. All that plastics likes to collect dirt when it rains, or different car washes where that dirt collects and just sits there. And I clean underneath the painted hood as well. Next, I apply Gyeon's leather shield. This is a ceramic coating for these leather seats. So what this will do, it'll keep it cleaner longer because it'll protect against spills and dye transfer and other dirt. So it'll do a good job of repelling contaminants off these seats and give you time to clean these seats if something does spill onto it or if you get any dirt transfer. So I apply it all over here, the white vegan leather for this Tesla Model S, the cup holders and the door cards. Anything that has this material can be protected with this leather ceramic coating. Next, I apply a fabric coating similar to the leather seats. This will protect against spills and salt from the winter and dirt to keep these carpets clean and fresh. With the interior done, I move on to the exterior by cleaning the wheels inside the fenders. Then I clean these Tesla Model S wheels here with the shampoo, with the wheel mitt and a brush to get inside those spokes. And then I clean the tires with a tire brush as well. Rinse off, and then I move on to the body. Give it a good rinse with some water to knock off any bigger contaminants from the paint. And then I apply my shampoo, and the shampoo will start breaking down dirt further and act as a lubricant between the paint and my wash media. So I'm using this washing pad. It's a soft microfiber wash pad to fully cleanse this paint for this Tesla Model S. And I'm making sure I'm thorough here, getting throughout all the different little crevices for this front bumper especially. And what you see here now is a clay mitt. After washing the exterior, this clay mitt will pick up contaminants from daily use, so your paint will start feeling smooth again like glass. And again, it's going to remove contaminants, adding back a lot of color depth to your car's paint. And then I dry off the paint here with a large microfiber towel to make sure there's no water dripping behind, and at least behind a nice glow you see here now that this Tesla Model S is all cleaned up. And I use compressed air to blow out where water collects, like in your mirrors. And lastly, I apply a ceramic paint sealant. This will add further gloss, and it's going to protect the paint as well from contaminants in rain and other weather conditions to keep this Tesla Model S cleaner longer. And when you wash your car, you'll notice it'll be a lot easier to clean because it is protected with this paint sealant. Then I clean the glass with 2 towels to leave no streaks behind, and I apply a tire dressing to finish the exterior detail. Now take a look at the before condition for this interior. You can see there was a bunch of dirt, grit, sand. The seats were looking pretty dirty as well. It was losing that white color to it. A lot of fingerprints on the touchscreen and just dirt collecting from normal use. You can see inside the seams here needed to be vacuumed, and you can see that blue jean transfer. Again, this is before this Tesla was detailed. And all this dirt collecting in the carpets as well. Now after I detailed it, take a look. Looks like a brand new interior. No fingerprints. Really clean and nice carpets, protected with the ceramic coating. And the seats are all cleaned up and have a bright white appearance to it. And they are protected now with that ceramic coating as well. And now check out the back half, all cleaned up. There was a lot of debris on the carpets. That was all vacuumed. And compressed air helped blow out underneath the seats as well. And the seats are looking, again, like a bright white color to them. And they were cleaned up and protected with that ceramic coating from Gyeon. And now check out the before condition for this Tesla Model S. You can see it's really dirty. All that dirt and dust is preventing this Model S from showing that gloss black paint from really popping out. You see there's bird droppings on the roof and water spots, probably from rain and pollen. You can see some fingerprints on the trunk lid. So this was before it was detailed. You could tell it definitely needed a good exterior detail that I performed for this Tesla Model S. Now check out the after condition. It's pretty significant. You can see how much more glossy and color depth there is to this black paint. It just pops. It looks so good. Really like these wheels on this Model S as well. With that tire dressing, this Tesla Model S just looks so good. It really stands out with that glossy black paint. This was the full detailing package that included that full interior cleaning and a full exterior wash and wax for this Tesla Model S. This is David from Southside Detail, mobile detailing in Plainfield, Illinois. Let me know what you thought of the video, like and subscribe.